Well, good morning, boys and girls. You can see the deer blind right there. Snuck in here this morning, was on the pipeline for a while, and then snuck down in here, and a pretty good buck. He looked like a big 6-point, something that needs to be shot. To me anyway, he looked good. So we got down here, and we're just about to go look and see if we find any blood. I was varmint hunting, so I had my 22 250 with 45 grain hollow point. So I've killed plenty of deer with it, plenty of animals. Shot a coyote with it the other day at 300 yards. You know, kind of just looking for bobcats and coyotes. It's kind of early season, but then this buck showed up. So let's see what we can find. That was standing right here, and he took off just like that. I don't see any blood, nothing. But I do see a bunch of leaves and limbs turned upside down. Look, see something ran right through there. Look, see that? Something ran right through here. That's where he would have probably went. Could have been anyway. Let's see. This is all pushed down pretty recent. See, look, something plowed. Oh yeah, look. Something plowed through here. Yeah. Something plowed all those bushes down. Not seeing any blood. Oh, that's him right there. Look, that dude didn't go anywhere. He just plowed right through there. Yeah, that's a management deer. Look at there. Oh. Yeah. Your deer ought to be bigger than that. I mean, it's a good deer, but to only have, 6, maybe 7 points, we want to try to do better. He didn't bleed one drop, ran right there. Ran like 30 yards. Boom. God's good. Yeah, pretty good buck. All right, well, I stuck my phone in that tree. I say I was just out here varmint hunting, didn't bring anything. And then this deer showed up. I'm interested to see how old this deer is. It looks pretty old. So that's what a 45 grain hollow point can do at 150 yards. Pretty amazing. It looks like a solid deer. Pretty color. I'm gonna say this deer is probably mature. Probably a mature buck. Definitely either way, even if he was 3 or 4, being only a 6 point is below average on points. But you got to take the 10 points and the 6 points when they get big. When they get older, it's what we do as hunters. We manage them all. The coyotes, the bobcats, the hogs, the deer. It's just fun getting out here. Good heavy horn. Gnarly 6-point. So there's your entry hole. The little bullet just blew up. No exit, no nothing. Little hollow point just blows up. Like buckshot in the chest. You never know, your next hunt may be a coyote hunt that turns into a deer hunt. God's good.